Hello, my name is Prabhakar Singer, Middleware Product Specialist for Red Hat. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Red Hat JBoss BPM Suite 6 and install in your local machine. To download the software, go to access.redhat.com, Red Hat Customer Portal. On top of this page, click Downloads link. It will show you the product downloads page. This integration and automation section, click on the Red Hat JBoss BPM suite. To download the software from Red Hat Customer Portal, you need to have a valid Red Hat account. If you are a existing customer, you already having user ID password, you can log into Customer Portal to download the software. If you are a new customer, use this register link to create one. Once you got your user ID password, log into Customer Portal. This will show you the software download page. On the version, you can see 6.0.3 is the latest version, which is we are interested on this one. Also in the releases tab, you can see there are some multiple releases here. The first one is UI based installer built on top of EAP server. Also you can see WebSphere bundle, and if you are using Tomcat and any other app server, you can use deployable for all supported container, like a servlet container like Tomcat, so you can get this bundle. And if you are using WebSphere, use this one. So based on your app server, you can choose your respective bundle to download. In this video, I am going to show you using Red Hat JBoss BPM Suite 6.0.3 deployable for EAP 6.1.1. Click on the download link. This will download, save in your local file system. I downloaded the software, so I'm not going to download again. So click once you download successfully. In the product drop-down menu, select Enterprise Application Platform. The version, you can see a lot of options. Just click on 6.1.1, which is our supported version. So in the product page, download page, just go to the Red Hat JBoss EAP application platform 6.1.1, click on the download link and save into your local file system. In my local file system, I created a folder called BPM6 suite. So there I downloaded those software, JBoss EAP 6.1.1 and JBoss BPM 6.0.3. For my convenience, I'm going to create a new folder called BPM workshop. In this folder, I'm going to extract the JBoss EAP 6.1.1 zip bundle. So this will extract that EAP server into the newly created directory. Now I'm going to extract that JBoss BPM 6.1 on top of that EAP server. To do that, unzip and BPM workshop. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking a JBoss BPMS bundle. I'm going to deploy into that EAP server, which is already there in that BPM workshop directory. So accept type A to accept that changes. So now you successfully install JBoss BPM Suite 6 on top of EAP Server 6.1.1. To verify your installation, move to your installation folder. This is where you have created the folder called V Workshop. This is where you install your EAP. Navigate to your bin folder. There you can see just to open up this file in your editor to check. So slots equal to BPMS. So your installation is successful. This is what we are expecting. So your installation is successful. So now before you start your server, you need to create your BPMS workbench user with the respective roles. To do that, use this adduser.sh or adduser.batch file. If you are a window user, use adduser.batch file. If you are a Linux user, use adduser.sh. Since I am going to create a business central a BPMS workbench user, so I'm going to select enter B and enter again and create a username called BPM admin, and password is BPM admin 123 at. So you need to be when you create a password, you have to follow certain standards. So do that. Um, it has to be like BPM admin 123 at. So it has to be like a numeric value and special characters and combinations, letters combinations. So I'm going to give uh, BPM admin 123 at enter. Again BPM admin 123 at. So you have to be careful when you are creating a password. So it has to be when you're creating a user ID, create like BPM admin, and password should be like name, and after that like characters and numeric values and some special characters combinations. So once you successfully created your user, then you have to create your roles for this user. To do that, BPM by default out of the box it support 5 roles: um, admin, analyst, developer, user, and manager. So you have to use comma separated by each roles. So accept yes. So type no, enter. Now you successfully created your user. Now you have to start your server. Again, you can see there is a standalone bat for Windows users. Since I am using Mac, I'm going to use standalone.sh. You have to be here in your server installation bin folder. So you are here in EAP server installation and bin folder. I'm going to start that standalone.sh. This will start your server. This is deploying your Business Central WAR file and a Dash Builder WAR file, and deploying into your JBoss EAP server. It's internally, your server is successfully started, and now you have completed your installation on EAP server. To check that, open up a new browser window, type your HTTP localhost 8080 business central. So make sure the port is not used by any other server running behind. So make sure your port is free for Business Central use. So you successfully started your uh, Business Central and log into your newly created user ID password BPM admin BPM admin 123 at. So this is what you created your BPM admin and BPM admin 123 at. So your workbench is started successfully, and the first time when you start you can see this kind of useful pop-up dialog boxes will appear. If you are interested you can read, and if you don't want to pop up again, just click on the don't show again the checkbox and close it, and go to this authoring, and again it will pop up. Just click on that don't show again and close it, and so your installation is successful. So by default it will create you a sample example repository project folder, so you can ignore that one. So if you want to create, you can create a new one. In my next video I will show you how to create a simple business process using your newly created Business Central. And if you want to know further information about how to use and all these things, go to www.redhat.com. So this redhat.com, just go to JBoss middleware, and click on this Red Hat JBoss BPM suite. Here this is your Red Hat JBoss BPM suite product page. So this page contains all the information you want to know about Red Hat JBoss BPM suite. So you can see here on this particular section like services and support. You can the trainings you provided by Red Hat University information, and consulting service provided by Red Hat, and on this support you can find all the documentation information and supported configuration on Red Hat. If you are buying a Red Hat subscription, so you can see the support policy, all this information. Here this documentation link, just click on that. So it providing all the BPM related documentations. So you can see development guide and getting started. And if you want to use a WebSphere configuration guide, and if you are using from earlier version to migrate to BPM 6 latest version, So there is a migration guide, and there are some example also. You can use this one and to learn about how to use Red Hat JBoss BPM uh, suite. So thank you for watching.